Today I'm going to be talking about my hair. I am a 25-year-old girl who loves to color her hair, and for the past year I have bleached it multiple times in a short span of time, and that has led to a lot of damage for my hair. And one of the damage is that I am starting to see premature graying hair here and there, and it was insane. I was getting worried, and I was also afraid that my hair will not be the same way like it used to be before bleaching, and that's when I discovered Hair Prime. This serum has actually really helped my hair in terms of just making it healthier and obviously reducing that one gray hair that I had. And it's also really just one of my favorite products to use, mostly because of the ingredients. Not only is it good for premature graying, but it's just good for your hair's health. So yeah, do check it out.